Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Old Town at the Old Town Park Apartments, all new development. Looking east toward the Mag Mile, panning around for a spectacular view of the skyline. And as I come around, you can see that I'm standing on a huge entertainment-sized terrace at Unit 2704, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You're going to want to spend a lot of time loving this view if you move in here. And it's going to be even more glorious at night or when the sun is shining. Sunsets are also a great show from this height in Chicago. I've just stepped into a really generously sized living dining room. Windows on 2 walls, facing south toward the skyline and facing west toward the sunset. Very sleek kitchen, wide breakfast bar island, can probably seat 6. There's a deep undermount stainless steel double bowl sink. You have a cabinet front refrigerator freezer. 5-burner range with a range hood. Lacquer look upper white cabinets and contrasting lower cabinets. Wall-mounted microwave. There's a beverage chiller for your wine and a cabinet front dishwasher. Cook is going to have this great view out to the south and out to the east. Again, this is the size room you can easily envision yourself entertaining in. 3rd bedroom is off the living room. Looks out onto the terrace. Then headed back toward the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. You're seeing the plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. You have a stacked front-loading washer-dryer. 2nd bedroom facing south. Looking at the entryway here with a wide coat closet. Guest bath. Wide medicine cabinet mirror. Designer vanity, a deep soaking tub, and a body spray attachment and rain shower head in the shower tub combination. Now heading into this enormous master suite. Huge wall of floor-to-ceiling windows, that glorious view. Can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture in this room. And heading into the master bath. You have a large walk-in closet with organizers. You have a nice size shower, again with a rain shower head and body spray attachment. Double bowl vanity, designer fixtures, wall-wide mirror, again, and a medicine cabinet. What a great unit. Great space, generously sized rooms, ultra-luxury level of finishes, and a building that has really over-the-top amenities, very high level of service. You really want to put Old Town Park high on your list if you're looking for an unusual 3-bedroom apartment in a great Old Town location. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.